At Y.CO, we never see a yacht as just an asset. Each one is a source of joy, a memory maker, an escapade creator. That's why, when searching for the perfect yacht, we look beyond the obvious and try to find something truly special. Something that will not only suit an individual lifestyle, but positively transform it. A transatlantic, trans-Pacific, trans-Indian Ocean range. A brand new helipad capable of taking twin-engine craft. A legacy of investment by experienced owners with 2 multi-million-dollar refits. This really is one of the best classic Feadships on the water. This is Amara. Amara was commissioned in 1986. At 57.3 meters long, she was not only one of Feadships' largest yachts, she was also one of the best looking. However, her sleek lines and well thought out proportions weren't only for aesthetics, they were intended to make her stable and efficient. A capable sea cruiser able to take you to the far corners of the world, from Alaska to Panama, around the Caribbean and into Europe. Amara has the ability to cruise anywhere. The lines that define her hull and superstructure with this gently flared bow is classically Feadship, and means that she is as elegant today as the day she was first launched. Amara may look like a classic Feadship on the outside, but step on board and you'd be forgiven for thinking she's brand new. In 2016, she underwent a $21 million top-to-bottom transformation, pulling her interior spaces firmly into the 21st century. A further $4 million was spent in 2021, replacing and updating the carpets, wall furnishings, and soft furnishings. As you walk into the main salon, you are instantly struck by the amount of incredible space. Now, this area was truly transformed during the refit because previously there was a wall dividing dining and seating area. Now that's gone, we have this large open plan with plenty of natural light flooding through. What that does is it highlights some of the key spaces. Now, of course, Feadship are renowned for quality craftsmanship, and that can be seen in the woodwork. Most of this is from the original build from back in 1986. She also has a much wider beam than you typically find on a classic yacht. It's light, it's bright, and it's airy. It's also luxurious and absolutely modern.
During the refit, there were quite a lot of spaces that were opened up. So even though it's an older vessel, the interior is quite modern, yet very homey and comfortable at the same time. Clean lines, very fresh.
Her 5 staterooms are equally comfortable. What's more, they offer all of the luxury and amenities you would expect from a modern day yacht. This is the impressive main deck master suite, complete with lounge and dressing area, 2 separate walk-in wardrobes, a shower room, a shower bathroom, and adjacent to the main suite is this, the private study. It's a room which offers the perfect balance between business and sanctuary. The bridge deck aft, while underway, provides storage for the tenders, but while at anchor, becomes this vast event space. This is the perfect place to be, whether you're hosting, unwinding, or simply soaking up the stunning scenery. Not only has Amara undergone a complete transformation of her interiors, but in 2021, she went back to Feadship in Holland for a complete mechanical overhaul. Believe it or not, these 2 main engines are original. However, the turbos, pumps, and heat exchangers have all been fully revised.
I would say at least 70% of the original engine room is still there. We still have the original engines. We had a major refit in 2015-16 where the generators were replaced, so they are modern.
Quite early on in her life, Amara was bought by an experienced yachtsman. He looked at her long range, her engineering, and saw the potential for a world cruiser. He added a helipad and cruised the world with a helicopter permanently on board, something virtually unheard of, gaining Amara the reputation for being one of the world's most adventurous yachts at the time. Fast forward to today, and the ethos of adventure has been maintained. Amara's all-new heli deck remains state-of-the-art. Designed by DeVoort and installed by Feadships in 2021, it's strong enough to facilitate a twin-engine craft, which opens up a world of opportunities for the new owner. Whether it's accessing the yacht in remote locations, to aerial sightseeing or far-off adventures on land, this truly is a platform where you can create inspirational experiences in the sky whilst out at sea. Add that to her range and Amara becomes the ultimate adventure yacht. There are other classic yachts on the market, but none of them are really comparable to Amara. This really is one of the best looked after yachts on the market, thanks to her huge investment and those upgrades from Feadships. But she's more than just a well-kept classic, because all of that investment, those changes, the money that's been spent go way beyond keeping her condition immaculate, which of course she is. It's the thoughtful investment from experienced owners which have heightened her usability, her comfort and her seaworthiness. This is a yacht that has absolutely withstood the test of time, and she's proven it again and again, and she's ready to take her new owners on the next adventure.